Hi there, I'm Michael and I would like to show you my newest line dance called Silverado Saturday Night to the same named song by Aaron Watson. It's a beginner line dance, 72 counts, 2 balls, and there's no tag, there's no restart, just a nice little finish, a 2-count finish if you want. So let's start with the steps. Ready on the left, section 1. Heel, hook, heel, coaster, step, shuffle left, rock, recover, back. Section 2. Coaster, cross, shuffle right, rock, back, and kick, fall, cross. Section 3. Shuffle right, rock, back, kick, fall, cross, and rock, recover. Section 4. Shuffle half turn right, cross, back, coaster, step, and walk, walk. On this walk, if you prefer to stump, please feel free to stump. Let's put all the steps together with the counts. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. If you like to dance a nice finish, so in round 7 starts at 12. So dance the first 16 counts like heel, hook, heel, coaster, step, shuffle forward left, and rock, recover, back. Coaster, cross, shuffle side, rock, back, kick, fall, cross. And at the 2 counts, slide left, touch, tap on the brim of your hand, greet the band, greet the singers, say thank you, clap your hands for the great job they have done for us. See you on the floor, somewhere, sometimes, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.